everyone, my name is Keely and welcome back to the 1466 weekly recaps. The background may look a little bit different as this week has once again been cut short by the snow. But that does not stop us as we have been working from home to keep up with our season goals. The mechanical team has been working on making the sort of drive base for the 1466 robot with dimensions of 26 by 26 inches. We got plenty of parts ordered and some CADed parts cut for assembly. Our rookie team also started cutting parts for their EveryBot. We spent time putting up April tags on the practice field and getting some early drive practice and autonomous field navigation work done. Code team has also been learning about PID and tuning with feed forwarding and motion profiling. They also have been working with both Choreo and Pathfinder, debating their pros and cons. Our awards teams have been hard at work both in and out of the lab, with Impact and Woody Flowers being the main focus. We launched our new website this Friday, so go check it out at webbrobotics.com. We can't wait for the snow to thaw so that we can get all our prototype mechanisms onto our Swerve Drive base. See you guys then!